Now, after Nana Patekar, director Vikas Bahl faces sexual harassment allegations. The Queen director has been accused of sexually harassing a crew member, forcing her to quit. Take a look at this report.
As India's very own Me Too campaign picks pace, now director Vikas Bahl faces sexual harassment heat. Vikas Bahl, who is best known for directing the film Queen, has been accused of sexual harassment by a female crew member. In an interview, the woman recounted her horror and how Bahl allegedly harassed her till she quit the company. According to the woman, in 2015, at a film's pre-release bash, the director offered to help her to her room as she was injured. She adds that on reaching the room, she bid Bahl goodbye and went to the washroom. But Bahl allegedly slipped into her room without her knowledge. Bahl then allegedly put his hand under her dress, dropped his pants and masturbated on her. When the woman complained, Bahl's partner in Phantom Productions filmmaker Anurag Kashyap did nothing until recently. Kashyap in an interview said, and I quote, "Whatever happened was wrong. We didn't handle it well, we failed. We cannot blame anyone but myself," Kashyap said. But now we are determined to do better. We believe her completely. She has our undying support. What Bahl has done is horrifying. We are already on a path of course correction and will do everything in our capacity to fix it. Anurag Kashyap, however, had earlier confessed that the only time Bahl visited the office was not to meet his co-producers but a girl he took a fancy to. When Kashyap took to Twitter to announce the dissolution of Phantom Films, Anurag said he and his co-owners had decided to go their separate ways. Queen actress Kangana Ranaut soon joined the brigade. Kangana said that she totally believes her. She goes on to narrate how during the shooting of Queen, he used to brag about having casual sex with new partners every day, even though he was married. She also added he'd bury his face in her neck, hold her really tight and breathe in the smell of my hair and say, "I love how you smell, K." Skeletons are tumbling out of Bollywood's closet with every passing day. Now what remains to be seen is, will Bollywood take a stand against the accused? Bureau Report, India Today.
Okay, my colleague Mustafa Sheikh now joining me live from Mumbai on this story. Mustafa, it's almost ironic. This director is well known for have directed a film called Queen, which was all about women empowerment and feminism, and now he's being accused of such a horrifying and a traumatic experience for the girl concerned, who's come out and said that he sexually harassed her. Has Vikas Bahl been able to explain himself?
Well, Palumi, this case also brings in question the power equation when it comes to sexual harassment at workplace. This lady in question had complained earlier, but there was no action taken. Though it depends on the victim as to whether she wants to approach the police or whether she wants this to be taken up by the internal committee of the workplace, but neither was done until now. Vikas Bahl has earlier denied this incident, saying that it's false. But now, as we obviously know, there are witnesses who are coming out and supporting her. But the only question remains is that whether justice delayed is justice denied, and in how many places wherein you have this workplace sexual harassment committees, but if an allegation is made against the top boss of the organization, then obviously all this fails to give a certain amount of justice to the person. Now, at this point of time, Vikas has not commented on the incident at present, but earlier he had denied it. As we know that, but the complaint, and obviously that woman has said that the complaint remains at its place, and she has even gone further to add details of the horrific incident. Back to you, Paul.
Right. Mustafa, thank you so much for all of those details. Of course, we know that Phantom Films did not have an internal complaints committee which the girl could have approached.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.